This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Python is installed and where the shell points to it. Open your terminal or PowerShell and run Python version or Python 3 version to see the version. This tells you which executable to find. Once done, run where Python on Windows or which Python on macOS/Linux to locate the binary path. You do this first because the executable path often differs from your IDE path, and knowing it prevents confusion when setting environment variables or virtual environments. Next, you dig into the interpreter details so you know where packages and scripts will run. Execute Python C import sys, print sys, executable to print the exact interpreter path. This is the authoritative location. Then run Python C import sys, print sys, path, to see module search folders, which explains why imports succeed or fail. If you use a virtual environment or conda, activate it and repeat both commands, because environments isolate binaries and change paths. Finally, make the interpreter path consistent across tools and shells. If the wrong Python runs, update your path variable or create a symlink to the desired binary so typing Python calls the right program. Also set your IDE interpreter to the sys executable path you found, ensuring editors and terminal use the same interpreter. If things go wrong, check your shell startup files for path overrides and deactivate or remove conflicting virtual environments. This fixes most mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.